Good morning. It is Thursday. I am so tired. I don't have any milk. I just got home from vacation, so I went to Starbucks. Yeah, I went to Starbucks and got coffee. And while I was leaving, instead of saying have a good day, I said have a good guy, and the baristas did chuckle. That's how my day's going. I'm gonna straighten my hair. We have to get ready for the day. It's so early. It's barely even 7 o'clock. So this is the finished face. I'm still not able to wake up. And it sucks. I don't know if I talked about this before, but I have this like fun little situation where I had insomnia for 6 months, and then that turned into hypersomnia, which meant that like I went from like not sleeping for 6 months to now I sleep too much and like need to sleep like way too many hours in the day. So I got put on like some narcolepsy meds, and I thought they were working, but the last like 2 days have not been fun. Like I've been so tired, and there's like nothing that I can do past taking my meds at the except like the prescribed dose. I have like another half an hour before I have to leave, so I'm gonna pack up my purse and then we will be ready to go. I didn't even say where I was going. I was going to therapy is where I was going. This is the best breakfast sandwich in Toronto. If you're in Toronto and you want the best breakfast sandwich in the city, go to Versus Coffee. So good. I did just get back from therapy / reading at the coffee shop. That was really good. I'm feeling really dizzy at the moment, but look at what I bought. I do have stuff that I need to do, but I'm like so dizzy that I think I'm gonna lay down. So I just got back from sushi. I didn't get any footage because I was with my uncle, so I didn't want to do that to him, but I did go to the grocery store as well, and he bought me some groceries. I got some fancy cereal, oat milk, buns to make a breakfast sandwich tomorrow, and I'm going to show you my A+ breakfast sandwich skills tomorrow. Spoiler alert, no breakfast sandwich was made, and those buns are probably green because I have not been back to Toronto since I left. And what else? Salad kits. So we got the essentials, and I'm real happy. For some reason the Wi-Fi just isn't working on my laptop, but it is on literally everything else. So I'm watching Angelica Oles on my iPad, and once I get this laptop started, I'm going to brainstorm the TikTok portfolio stuff I need to do tomorrow, because there's a lot of it, and I need to become an expert at the TikTok algorithm right now. So I need Wi-Fi.
The next day.
So, good morning. It's like 11 now. I had to sleep in until like 9, and then spent the last like 2 hours, not true, hour trying to fix the Wi-Fi because my roommate lost their phone, and we're trying to hunt it down. So let's run through the plan for today. First thing on the list, film 1 TikTok. Then I want to edit 1 TikTok, outline 2 TikToks. And then I need to pack because I'm going home tonight. And then I need to go and get my fingerprints taken. So that is the to-do list today. So that's done. I'm gonna send everything that I just filmed from my phone and my iPad to my laptop. And then I haven't edited a TikTok in Final Cut. I canceled my Adobe subscription because don't get the student discount anymore. So I'm going to send all of this over. I'm gonna figure out how to change. Haha. Okay, I got it. I am a genius. I just sent the TikTok to my friend to review it so that she could give me her advice because she also does like social media stuff. So I'm gonna wait for her to answer. Shout out Beatrice, and then I'm gonna work on it some more. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just like brainstorm because I needed the 20 to 60 second video done, and then 2 proposals, 3 to 5 sentences proposals. So I'm gonna do a couple of those and just like work on like maybe 4 of them and then shortlist the ones that I like. So I'm just about to have lunch. I made myself a Mexican style chopped salad that my uncle very kindly bought for me yesterday at the grocery store. And then I'm also gonna eat some leftovers from sushi. And then once I'm done my lunch, I'm gonna go for a walk and get more coffee because it's that kind of day. On my hot girl walk, but it's like really cloudy out, so I wore a hoodie so that I would have coverage for my head if it starts raining. I just saw NDP leader Jagmeet Singh. Oh my god. I didn't even say anything. Like, I was literally so scared and starstruck. I just stopped in my tracks and watched him. Are you kidding me? I love that man so much. More developments on this walk. My roommate's phone was found. It was her Uber driver who had it, and he called me to tell me that he would drop it off. So we're living, laughing, and loving. I'm gonna look for Jagmeet again after I get coffee because I love him. So I just got my coffee. I got an iced oat milk latte with a pump of vanilla from Jimmy's, which is my favorite coffee shop. And I also bought one of their tote bags, so I'll show you that when I get home because I'm moving and I love that coffee shop more than life itself, and I thought it was cute. I'm on my way to the biometric testing center for my visa. Sweaty still for my walk. It's gross, but whatever. Waiting for the subway. I also just didn't film after I got home from my biometric testing. It went fine. It was kind of weird. It cost a lot of money. I paid in advance and I had to pay another $75 there. So the UK government is really getting my coin right now, but that's fine. I'm on my way to the subway to meet my dad, so we can go home together. Got a lot of stuff with me, yeah. I also didn't finish filming when I got home, so I guess that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to be more consistent now that I'm done school, but who actually knows what'll happen, because I've said that a million times. So anyways, if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.